While exploring the artificial island, you will discover that you have to explore two regions. Inside the second one, called the Outer Islands, you have to find 4 Scenic Points. The first Scenic Point of the Outer Islands takes name of Tetriso Ruins. To find it, in the central left side of the map, you have to use a space rift called Mysterious Tetriso Ruins. From here, proceed straight forward until you will get on top of the metallical platform. Then turn to the right and start climbing the mountain you will find here. Once up here, proceed further and reach the trees you will notice on the left. Behind them, you will notice another hill you have to reach using the jetpack. Then check the left overhanging until you will find a blue eye icon you have to interact with. Doing so will unlock the Scenic Point you came for. The second Scenic Point of the Outer Islands takes the name of The Venture. To find it, you have to start from the upper side of the artificial island, where you have to use the space rift called the Estuary. From its location, go to the left, and then, using the jetboard, reach the huge island you will notice in front of you. Close to it, you have to start exploring the right side of the island. Keep surfing forward until you will reach a huge boat. Here you have to start exploring the shores on the left side of the boat, where, along the mountain wall, you will notice a small overhanging you have to climb on top of. Up here, you have to check the central part of the right overhanging in order to find a blue eye icon you have to interact with. By doing so, you will unlock the Scenic Point. The third Scenic Point of the Outer Islands takes the name of Abandoned Water Treatment Plant. To find it, in the top right side of the artificial island, you need to use the space rift called Abandoned Water Treatment Plant. From the space rift, you have to turn to the right and go between trees you will notice in the distance. From here, you have to proceed further toward the next tree, where you have to turn to the right and explore the overhanging. At its margin slightly to the right, you will find a blue eye icon you have to interact with in order to unlock the Scenic Point you came for. The fourth and the last Scenic Point of the Outer Islands take the name of Gazing Cliffs. To find it, you have to visit the bottom right corner of the artificial islands, where you have to use the space rift called Natural Dragon Tumulus. From here, you have to jump downhill and start exploring the left passage along the right mountain wall. After the mushroom puzzle, go slightly to the right in order to reach the solitary 2 trees. Behind them, you will find the overhanging from where you have to jump down toward a cargo ship on the left. You need to get on top of its control room roof. Once up here, reach the left margins of it, where you will find a blue eye icon you have to interact with in order to lock the Scenic Point you came for. Don't forget to do the most important thing, that is to enter inside the main menu, then in the terminal, where you have to enter inside the Chronicles. Here you will need to click on top of the area name in the bottom right corner, then click on top of the artificial island location. Then select every single Scenic Point you unlocked and then click on top of Claim Rewards. Only after this action they will be counted in the Outer Islands progression.